Hi, it's Nick from Dick Pond again with Chuck Schulte from Diamond Physical Therapy. Last month we did a great workshop on plantar fasciitis and heel pain, so we thought we were going to do another one in January on back pain. Here's Chuck to tell you a little bit more about what you're going to learn that evening.
Thanks, Nick. So if you've had low back pain or sciatica, then you know it's no fun, and it can get in the way of a lot of things. It can get in the way of running, playing with your kids, just getting through your workday, driving in the car. It can be a lot of problems. So here's what we're going to talk about in the workshop. We're going to talk about the number one biggest mistake people with low back pain and sciatica make that gets in the way of it healing and actually can make it worse. We're also going to talk about the 3 most common causes of low back pain and sciatica. 2 of them are pretty common. You've probably heard of them before. But the third one flies under the radar a little bit because it doesn't show up on MRIs or x-rays. And if it's not discovered, it can give you a lot of trouble. And lastly, we're going to talk about the 3 most effective steps that you can take to get your low back pain and sciatica under control and handled once and for all.
Thanks, Chuck. That sounds like some great info. If you do sign up as a special thank you from Dick Pond Athletics, you can receive 10% off of all apparel and accessories that day. So we look forward to seeing you on the 17th. And if you click on the Register Now button, you can get more information. Thank you.
See you at the workshop.